guys, welcome back. So today I'll show you 3 interesting products from Amazon which I have been using for more than 3 months. So this video is not like something unboxing and review immediately. I'm providing you the review after using it for 3 months. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So let's start the video. Don't skip it please. Here are the 3 products. Ta-da-ta-da! I didn't dispose these 3 cardboard boxes from Amazon because I know one day I will make a review video on these 3 products. So yeah, I have been storing these boxes for 3 months. Okay, let's start the video. Here is the first product. So this is a mini UPS. This is from Oster Smart Appliances. So basically this is a power bank for your Wi-Fi router. Whenever power cut happens, so see you are doing some urgent task or some important task and suddenly there is a power cut. Really scary, right? I experienced it personally, but this helped me a lot. I've been using this for more than 4 months and this gave me awesome results. Until now it is running very smoothly. So this has a 4 hours battery backup. So I definitely suggest this product for the people mainly who are working from home. This is really helpful. So you don't need to get interrupted from your work after power cut till 4 hours. Makes sense? So let's move on to the second product. Now let's move to the second product. So this is, let's open this. This is a portable fan. This is a portable fan. So it has come with a one. So here it is. It has come with a USB and it has 1 year warranty also, and there is a user manual inside the product. So yeah, this product has 2200 mAh battery, which is like approximately 4 hours battery backup, and this is really helpful when you have power cuts. Like it is really portable and you can use it as a personal fan. So let's see the options. This also has light which you can use, and then coming to this power mode, it has 3 power modes. One is eco, normal and high. If you are using this product on eco mode, then only this will give you 4 hours backup, else it will end for 2 hours only, like as per personal experience I'm telling you. So this is like eco mode, and if you click again, this is like normal mode, and this is like high mode. So on high mode it will give you 2 hours battery backup, and yeah, it is good. And you can adjust this, and you can adjust this fan also as per your comfort. This is really helpful. So my rating is 9 out of 10. Yes. Let's move on to the third product. Here's the third product. So the third product is again portable juicer. This is a portable juicer. This is almost 5+ months I have been using, and till now it is really working. So before this I have tried many other portable juicers, but that didn't last long. Like approximately I used it for 3-4 months and then it stopped working. But this is something really interesting because 5+ months and still running smoothly. So let's open this product. See, this product has come up with one USB cable in it. This product has come up with a USB cable. So this has come with a USB cable, and you know, there is an interesting feature in this juicer. Before this juicer I used like 2-3 other brands of portable users, but it didn't last long. Like I used it for approximately 3 to 4 months and then it stopped working. But this is different. I'm using this from 5 months and still running smooth. And coming to the special feature, whenever we watch this portable juicers, we have the fear of what if the switch turns on while washing this juicer, right? But here we have a special feature that it will not turn on while you are washing it. Like I'll show you it. So here is the switch, and now I locked it completely. It's running now, right? Let's stop. Now I'll open this glass, and now let's turn it on again. See, I'm switching it on, but still it is not working because this jar is not locked. So this has the ability of jar lock. Until unless you won't lock it properly, that blades will not run. So this is like a new feature I have seen in this portable. In other ones I never seen. So this is, and cost also budget friendly. It is like 800 rupees only when I bought. Now I have to check the price. I'm providing you the link in the description. You can go and check.
chopper.
So this is really an awesome product, and the main thing is this is not only juicer, this is a chopper also. Till now I have done chopper, juicing and tomato puree, and you know what, ginger garlic paste also you can grind in this. I personally tried it, and so I'll show you again how this works. Make sure you are locking it tightly, then only this will work. That's done. It's really awesome. This is one of my favorite products from Amazon because this is travel friendly also. You can carry it with you wherever you go, and you can do smoothies and all. So it's really wonderful. So that's all guys. These are the three reviews which I wanted to do from long back, and finally I have done today. I hope you really like the video. If you like my video, please subscribe and support me and follow the bell icon. We will meet with another awesome video next time. Until then, bye bye.